When the entire market is shaky, it can be scary to invest anywhere, let alone in an industry that is famous for its volatility. However, with these shaking conditions in the crypto market, are we indeed ready for a bull run? Is a bull run even going to see the light of day? It is no longer a secret that the crypto market has been struggling over the past year. The entire sector has lost nearly 2/3 of its value since late 2021, with its market cap plunging from a staggering $3 trillion to around $1.19 trillion. Many investors are equally concerned that a recession is looming, and if this happens, the crypto winter could drag on even longer. But the good news is that a bull market is coming eventually. Which coin is well positioned for the bull run? Cardano? We don't think so. According to reports from The Motley Fool, the second largest cryptocurrency market cap seems to be in the right spot to accumulate huge returns during the bull season. It's not outrageous to think that way since Ethereum has proven that it can withstand market volatility. It has faced several downturns over the past several years, including a particularly severe slump in 2018, when its price fell by a whopping 94%. Are we switching appraisals to Ethereum? No, just be sure to follow us closely here. While the past performance does not foresee future returns, Ethereum's long and solid history is more promising than that of many other cryptocurrencies. Ethereum's position in the crypto market also gives it a strong advantage. So far, it is the primary blockchain for decentralized applications, ranging from NFT marketplaces to DeFi projects to the metaverse. And if any of those applications gain overall usage, Ethereum will be in a great position to benefit from it. Also, Ethereum developers are committed to improving the blockchain. Last year, the merge went off without a snag, successfully transitioning the network to a proof-of-stake protocol and vastly reducing its energy usage. Of course, future updates will aim to reduce transaction times and fees, making the blockchain faster and more affordable for users. Ethereum is in a unique position, as it is a strong investment in a speculative industry. Yes, crypto is still speculative, and Ethereum's long-term success may hinge on whether the whole crypto sector survives. So because no one knows what the future holds for crypto, Ethereum is still a risky investment, and of course the same can be said for Cardano. Yet, does Cardano ADA stand a chance, or does all the credit go to Ethereum at this moment? For the Cardano ecosystem, a big step in the right direction earlier this year was the launch of Voltaire, the final step in the developmental roadmap of Cardano. Voltaire calls for more decentralization and better blockchain governance, which is the way to avoid getting the security tag from the SEC. The good news is that the underlying fundamentals in the Cardano ecosystem are better than they have been in some time, and perhaps this explains why Cardano was up 80% earlier this year. For the first time in a long while, investors saw the real tangible efforts being made to boost the long-term growth prospects of the blockchain. A good example involves decentralized finance, a significant sector of the blockchain world where Cardano has historically lagged behind market leaders like Ethereum. But this narrative flipped at the start of 2023 with Cardano rolling out new DeFi initiatives. During the last bull market, which was the 2020 bottom to the 2021 bull peak, Cardano outperformed both market leaders Bitcoin and Ethereum. A Jarvis Labs newsletter pointed out that ADA more than tripled Ethereum's performance in the last cycle. From a parallel perspective, it outperformed Bitcoin by a factor of 10. However, since this was the onset of the bear market, Cardano's performance has only worsened. With the asset down almost 91% from its bull peak, investors have been losing hope and regretting their choice of investment. So is it game over for Cardano ADA? Well, I think it's too early to give up on Cardano. A bull run is coming, so despite the lackluster price performance, developers continue to cheer the protocol. Mid-June, Cardano's GitHub activity was higher than the likes of Chainlink, Ethereum, and Polkadot. Thus, it can be contended that Cardano is very much alive and kicking at this stage. Probably the next bull run could change its fortunes on the price front, as the project isn't abandoned yet. As the crypto market prepares for this big season, all eyes are on Cardano. With its extraordinary approach to blockchain technology and a growing ecosystem, Cardano has garnered attention and support from investors and enthusiasts alike. Cardano's success can be attributed to its emphasis on scalability, security, and sustainability. These were the factors that telecom company Vodafone acknowledged when announcing its partnership with Cardano NFTs. While people have termed it slow and useless, the Cardano platform takes a scientific approach to development, utilizing peer-reviewed research and rigorous testing to ensure its technology meets the highest standards. The commitment to the excellence has established Cardano as a frontrunner in the blockchain space. Dan Garmedello, a famous crypto expert, recently tweeted, "Cardano will outperform again in the next bull market. All caps so people remember. Save this tweet, ADA." During the previous bull market, Cardano demonstrated its resilience and potential for growth. Now, as the market gears up for another bullish cycle, many believe that Cardano will once again rise to the occasion and showcase its true potential. The platform's sophisticated architecture, which separates the settlement layer from the computation layer, provides a solid foundation for scalability and efficiency. But moving forward, Cardano's devotion to security and transparency has earned it the trust of its community. The project's relentless approach to code reviews and audits reinforces the fact that the platform remains robust and resilient against potential threats. This focus on security distinguishes Cardano from other blockchain platforms, making it a pleasing option for investors seeking long-term value. Cardano's strong ecosystem, which includes partnerships, decentralized applications, and a dedicated community, further drives its potential for success. The platform continues to attract developers and projects that leverage its capabilities, fueling innovation and growth within the Cardano ecosystem. Therefore, as the crypto market enters the next bull cycle, Cardano's unique features and solid fundamentals position it for a remarkable performance. With its advanced technology, strong community support, and growing ecosystem, Cardano is poised to captivate the crypto community and deliver substantial returns to its investors. Despite the inconsistency in price and market performance, Cardano's potential for outperformance in the upcoming bull market cannot be overlooked. Its focus on scalability, security, and sustainability, strengthened with its growing ecosystem, make it a prime competitor for success. As the market gains momentum, Cardano is ready to shine under those circumstances. Also, as Wall Street traders place bullish bets on traditional markets, the crypto industry watches with anticipation. Optimism replaces doubts in the financial sector as stocks continue their rally. However, the question does remain: will bullish sentiment on the traditional markets also fuel growth in the crypto sector? And will this impact be felt in the Cardano ecosystem? Well, the S&P 500 has climbed 13%, while the Nasdaq Composite, teaming with tech stocks, soared 29% in 2023. Remarkably, artificial intelligence stocks have also seen a surge in enthusiasm. For crypto investors, the rise of AI may be particularly interesting. Blockchain and AI technology do seem like the perfect match, potentially fueling more growth in both sectors. Improved adoption of AI could result in greater usage of blockchain-based systems, supporting the rise of cryptocurrency. No matter how interesting these details are, the focus does remain on the crypto market. Cryptocurrencies are renowned for their volatile nature, often deviating from traditional market trends. However, it is indisputable that the health of the broader financial ecosystem influences the sentiment of crypto investors. If the traditional market continues its bullish trend, the narrative of cryptocurrencies being a new form of digital gold or a store of value might attract more investors looking for an alternative or complementary asset to equities. Recently, leading cryptocurrency analyst Ki Young-ju asserted that Bitcoin is currently in a bull market cycle after the largest cryptocurrency finally surpassed $30,000. In a recent tweet, the crypto quant head explained that Bitcoin price earnings ratio, PER for short, which is centered on miner revenue, stands at 73, implying an attractive price point for miners to sell and indicating a bullish phase. Ju's formula for calculating Bitcoin's PER involves dividing the cryptocurrency's price by the annual miner revenue over the total supply. However, the news of a recession might turn things around. And whenever President Joe Biden begins to discuss a possible recession, news outlets and the public start to get a little weary. We can all expect arguments to arise on whether the US is actually in a recession, but one thing is clear: we are lurching on the edge. It is a bitter truth. Unfortunately, the crypto market simply hasn't been around long enough for us to get an idea of how it will behave in significant recession. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency invested in 2009, and so much has changed since then. Crypto investors who have been around since 2018 are likely aware of the woes that past recession periods have brought. But these are not tales that we wish to tell. We expect a bull run. We truly do. But that's going to do it for today's video. Make sure you click on the subscribe notification buttons, and we'll see you in the next video.